Welcome to this explainer. Ever wonder how some creators go from absolutely zero views to literally racking up millions, building this massive passive income empire? Well, I've been there. I started with nothing. And the secret? They're constructing digital real estate. Today, I'm handing you the absolute ultimate blueprint to create AI avocado house videos and literally make money online. We are going from a blank screen to a fully monetized fantasy world. And hey, just a quick tip for when you're drafting your own master plans, I always tell my writers to format their final output as a simple 2-column visuals and audio script table. It just keeps the whole vision perfectly organized. Anyway, let's get into it. From zero views to building fantasy digital real estate. Man, that is exactly the journey we are going on today. Think about it. The pure creative joy of designing your own lush, magical worlds completely from scratch, and you don't even have to lift a hammer. This isn't just about making pretty pictures, right? This explainer is your literal key to unlocking consistent social media revenue. You're going to captivate audiences with these highly popular, whimsical AI art shorts. It's totally life-changing. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our exact construction plan to build this passive income stream from scratch. We'll start with the digital blueprint, move right into constructing the vision, then bringing it to life. After that, we hit seamless architecture, securing the deed, and finally, a quick troubleshooting and inspection phase.
Phase 1, the digital blueprint, laying the foundation.
So, in this very first phase of our construction project, we're going to let AI do all the heavy lifting. And the absolute best part, you don't even need to come up with your own ideas. Seriously, our secret weapons here are BukeKF and Flood AI. These are highly specialized ChatGPT tools you can find right there in the Explore GPTs section. Just keep an eye out for that yellow icon. These powerful little tools instantly provide brilliant design foundations, totally tuned for creating highly creative nature and fruit-based architectural concepts. It's like having a master architect in your pocket. The workflow here is incredibly fast. Step 1, open up ChatGPT's Explore GPTs. Step 2, search for either BukeKF or Flood AI. Step 3, literally just type hi. That's it. The AI will immediately spit out 10 amazing concepts, maybe a watermelon house or a coconut house. But for step 4, we're going to reply with the number 9 because that specifically selects the avocado house. Hitting 9 instantly triggers the exact image and video prompts we need to build our house. Next up, phase 2, constructing the vision, generating images. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is this exact custom prompt provided by our ChatGPT tool. Check this out. A cozy fairy tale house crafted inside a giant, ripe avocado, nestled in a lush tropical garden with palm trees, intricate details, highly realistic 4K resolution. You're going to take this and run it through Midjourney or your favorite high-end image generator to turn our AI blueprint into a stunning visual reality. And a huge tip here, make sure to save these scenes sequentially, like scene 1, scene 2, and so on, right to your device. But hold on, pay super close attention to this warning. You must absolutely always delete the question, generate using text, plus any extra instructional lines from that ChatGPT prompt before you paste it into your image generator. It's such a common pitfall, and if you leave it in, it'll confuse the AI and totally ruin your shot. Keep that prompt clean, okay? That ensures you get a beautiful, high-quality, error-free image every single time. Look, to build a believable fantasy home, you've got to organize your assets before you even think about editing. Save them sequentially, like we talked about, to keep things super fast. But here is the real secret sauce. Use the seed numbers from your very first generated image and explicitly repeat your environment keywords, like palm trees, across all your prompts. That is absolutely crucial for maintaining a beautifully consistent aesthetic across all your video scenes. It's what keeps your viewers completely immersed in the world you built. Moving right along to phase 3, bringing it to life, image to video. This is totally cause for celebration. We have finally reached the phase where our static construction literally starts breathing and moving. We're going to use amazing AI video generator tools like Luma, Dream Machine, or Kling AI for this. I mean, just look at the difference here. A static image is beautiful, sure, but it's motionless. A dynamic video transforms that picture into an engaging, breathing fantasy world. This is the moment the magic happens, guys. This is exactly where a simple picture turns into a viral piece of digital real estate that stops scrollers dead in their tracks. Let's quickly run through this streamlined workflow. First, upload your static avocado house image right into your video AI tool. Second, paste the specific video motion prompt that ChatGPT gave you earlier. Third, and yes, I am reminding you yet again, delete those pesky extra instructional text lines. Finally, hit generate and export your moving scenes. Boom. Then just repeat this process for all your sequentially saved images.
Phase 4, seamless architecture, editing, and transitions. And this brilliantly illustrates the interior design phase where we stitch it all together in CapCut.
Now that we have our dynamic clips, it's time to pull them into CapCut to really stitch the rooms of our fantasy house together. Listen, the number 6 is your golden rule here. You want to aim for exactly a 6-second clip duration or transition time. Why 6 seconds? Because that's the absolute sweet spot for keeping social media audiences completely hooked. Maximizing that watch time is literally the key if you want your creations to blow up on platforms like TikTok and Reels. To link these 6-second clips perfectly together, you want to blend your scenes using smooth up, down, or sideways transitions right there in the app. By using visually appealing transitions that really match the dreamy vibe of your fantasy architecture, you're creating this seamless emotional journey for the viewer. It literally feels like they're floating through the house, and trust me, they won't be able to look away.
Phase 5, securing the deed, monetization secrets.
All right, now we're pivoting to the crucial business side of this rags to riches story. Because getting views is awesome, but so the crucial point is this. Your ultimate goal is to actually monetize your content without getting hit by reused content flags or copyright strikes. Since AI tools can generate kind of similar outputs from multiple people, your audience retention and your own unique presentation are what guarantees success. You can't just slap the raw AI files up and expect a paycheck, right? You've got to make it uniquely yours. Which brings us to the final phase, troubleshooting and inspection, passing the test. Think of this as the final walkthrough with a building inspector. We've got to run through a quick checklist to ensure the platform algorithms reward your video instead of flagging it. Here's a vital troubleshooting matrix for you. Worried about a reused content flag? Simple solution. Just slightly adjust the color brightness and contrast in your editing app. To completely avoid copyright strikes, always add your own personal logo to the corner and throw in some local captions. And those annoying watermarks left by AI tools, crop them out or use a removal tool. These minor tweaks take literally seconds, but they make the content uniquely 100% yours. Let's move to and see how this builds our final masterpiece. Here is your final polish checklist. Number 1, adjust your colors to keep a consistent theme. Number 2, add your personal logo. Number 3, add local captions to really boost that engagement. And number 4, export the whole shebang in stunning 4K resolution. I promise, following these exact steps guarantees a high-quality, fully monetizable export that is ready for the world. Which brings us to the ultimate question. Are you ready to break ground on your first piece of digital real estate and claim your passive income? You've got the blueprint, you've got the tools, and you know the exact architectural secrets to build something incredible. Go design your very own AI avocado house today and turn your creativity into cash. Seriously, what other architectural wonders could this blueprint unlock for you? Thanks for hanging out with me on this explainer. Now go get building.